What's up YouTube, Slaying Bass TV here, back at you with another video. Today we're over here at Crystal Gardens, and in my last video I unboxed some new tackle that I got, one of them being this spinnerbait right here, this Guggen Mini Zinger spinnerbait. So I'm gonna tie this up with a little saucy swimmer, and we're gonna see if we can catch a couple fish. I got 2 rods today. I brought both of my bait casters. I brought my Kicking Their Bass TV rod and my favorite bait caster. So we're gonna rig up a T-rig, maybe with a bandito bug, and obviously this. So let's see if we can crank on a couple bass. If you guys like these videos, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Fished this part of the pond, but I'm trying to try out some new areas. And it's shaded, so that's a plus. All right guys, let's try the old spinnerbait on the Kicking Their Bass TV rod. See how it looks in the water. Oh yeah. This thing looks sweet. All right guys, so the first stop, I can't talk. The first stop that we stopped at over here was a new spot over here at Crystal Gardens. I'd never been to that side, but didn't produce any fish. I saw a couple bass. I saw a couple of those koi fish, goldfish looking fish, but we stopped for a Gatorade right here at this Walgreens. So it's about halfway through the fishing trip. Hopefully we can crank on a couple. Stay tuned. There we go guys, got one. As soon as I turn on the GoPro. Let's get it, man. Oh yeah, you're decent. Hopefully I can keep them on. Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, decent one. Guys, there we go. Not bad. Maybe 2.5. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe like a pounder. I don't know, he might be a pound. Yeah. Yeah, bandito bug, Texas rig. That's a pretty popular lure. Oh yeah, it's not bad. I catch quite a bit on it. That's good. Down the scale, let's just get him back in. There we go. There he goes. He's probably like a 1.5. All right, guys, we were able to get it done. Let's go. Stoked on that. As soon as I turn on the GoPro too, right? Really? Yeah, there's some big ones in here. Nice, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Are you fishing this tournament? Yeah. Nice. I found this to be the best like pond out of all of them.
Really?
That's just my personal experience.
So like the very first one here, a while back, it used to be really good. They have a school of fish that would go around.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like 10 or 12 of them right there.
Really?
Yeah. Like 10 or 12 would swim around, probably 2+ pounders.
Nice.
You would never catch it, bro.
Yeah.
You look at your lure and be like, what the hell is that? You know, walk away.
Yeah, they're very picky here.
Yeah. Well, they've seen everything.
Yeah.
So you gotta throw something they don't want they haven't seen.
That's very true.
So when they see everything, they don't want to do it here.
Yeah.
He's right there, man. He's headed toward you.
Okay. Hey, bro.
Found him, man.
If you need to come over here too, feel free. I'm not gonna be,
Good.
yeah, because I know you're in this tournament. Man, it's freaking ants, dude. All right, guys, let's throw on another Guggen bandito.
Yeah, a guy, I was at PIR, and he gave me one of those bandito bugs, green pumpkin one.
Yep.
I thought about trying that, but I haven't had any success on it because I haven't tried it yet. But,
Right.
you know?
Yeah, it's, dude, honestly, like, they break apart easy,
Yeah.
but they've caught me quite a bit of fish.
Yeah.
I really like them, so. And the green pumpkin color is the best one.
He gave me one. He said, here, try this. I didn't try it because I was fishing 12 at the time. I was like, I'll try it when I get to the tournament. I just realized my fishing rig was fucking I didn't get the line through the eye in the reel
Yeah.
when I was setting it up. So I'm like, oh shit, I can't even throw that.
Yeah. I know, I hate when stuff like that happens, bro.
Oh shit, there's a big school of bass right here. About 15 of them right here.
Oh my God.
1 pounders.
Huh?
About 15 about 1 pounders right here.
Wow.
Yeah, they're just little school bass.
That guy was really cool. They're fishing a tournament. Oh, guys, we just got tore up again. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're eating this thing like crazy. Oh no, what the hell? The hell was that? My reel, I think, messed up. Maybe my brakes kicked in or something. I don't know. That was weird. Oh, guys. We are getting tore up. See if we can get another one. They keep eating it on the drop. It's like a feeding frenzy in this spot. Oh my God, we missed one. There we go. Oh, I had one, but he came off. I'm still working on my hook sets, man.
Yeah, you just gotta, like with the drop shot and a Texas rig is different. Texas rig, they're obviously gonna try to suck the whole thing in, right?
Yep.
Sometimes they don't. They just kind of mess with it. Like with bass, what they do is they suck it in and crush it, spit it back out before you even know you even got a bite.
Yeah. I think
you gotta like really like let it suck that sucker in, man.
That's my problem, dude. Is I think I hooked set too early or something.
That's all right.
Yeah.
That's learning process, man.
Yeah.
The drop shot is kind of like the same. You feel that first tap, they're sucking in, right? And they spit it back out. But they want it because either you have like a flavoring on it or something, you know, sometimes.
Yeah.
And then they'll suck it back in. So what I do is I just let them pretty much take it and run off with it until I know they got it in their mouth. Then I set the hook.
Honestly, that's when I have my most luck, is when I'm more patient.
Yeah. It's just, you know, takes time. That's all. I'm gonna try that bandito bug. I got one. I'm gonna try it.
There you go. This is a junior. I wish I had some regulars, but the junior's been doing fine.
I think that's the one I got because it's not as big as the other ones.
Yeah. I mean, the junior works great. Obviously, that smaller presentation, they seem to like. All right, guys, just got back to the truck. It is starting to get pretty hot out. It's like, let's see, it's about 97, but it's so humid out lately. Like, I've been sweating my butt off fishing. But anyway, there was like a little tournament going on today over here at Crystal Gardens. I've seen a bunch of fishermen. It's way busier than it usually is. So there was a little tournament. I talked to a couple of the guys in it. One guy said it was a super tough day for him. The other guy, who's real cool, he actually saw me catch my fish that you guys will see in this video. It was about a 1.5 pound fish, guys, off that old bandito bug. So it was a tough day for them. I was able to get it done, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So as always, guys, if you watched the whole thing to the end, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one on Slaying Bass TV. And remember, go slay some bass.